Experiencing issues with your Dodge Caravan key fob? Here's a breakdown of the most common causes and fixes. First, the most frequent culprit is a dead battery. The fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Replace it by carefully prying open the fob. Often a small screwdriver helps, swapping the battery and snapping it back together. If a battery replacement doesn't solve the issue, the fob might need to be relearned or reprogrammed to your vehicle. The relearn procedure involves entering the vehicle with a working key, cycling the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, and pressing the lock button on the fob within 10 seconds. If problems persist, the underlying issue may involve the totally integrated power module, also known as the TIPM, or the receiver. If battery replacement and relearn procedures fail, the issue likely lies with the TIPM or receiver. The TIPM serves as the control center for the vehicle's electrical systems, while receiver problems in the body control module can block key fob signals. A reset may help resolve the issue. Try disconnecting the TIPM battery cable for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the module and potentially restore key fob functionality. For advanced solutions, use an OBD2 scanner to check for trouble codes, specifically U0100. Be cautious, as improper resets can trigger other electrical faults, such as preventing the engine from starting. Third-party OBD2 scanners from companies like Autel or Foxwell offer DIY TIM resets, significantly reducing repair costs compared to dealership services. If all attempts fail, consult a professional for diagnostics, as there may be deeper electrical problems. Note that extended warranty coverage is available for Type M-related issues in 2015-2017 models. Check with your local Dodge dealership.